Chestnut Street. Going for a bike ride. I am going to see what it's like in the Center City area. There he is. This is Macy's, right next to City Hall. All the windows are boarded up, and they have thank yous to the doctors who are listening. Our heart beats for you. That's nice. If you looked at the grates, so it's 11:40 on a Wednesday afternoon, and this is what the traffic at City Hall is like. Nothing. I make these videos kind of like a video diary for myself. And for you too, I guess. So these are the things that have changed since last time we've made a video. You have to wear a mask in stores now. Oh no! Chaos and anarchy! Blair Witch Project reindeer. They're bodiless. They have heads. Creepy, creepy, creepy.
Tiptoe through the window, by the window, that is where I'll be. Come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh, tiptoe from the garden, by the garden, of the willow tree, and tiptoe through the tulips with me.
I think the city could save a little bit of money by maybe not installing flowers. They're giving out food here to homeless people, which is great because, you know, it's I'm sure nobody's giving spare change right now, but right out 6 feet. Okay. Oh no, they're not. So they have these stickers for people to stay 6 feet apart. My bike's too big. I can't. I see you, dickhead. I can't just jump on my bike to drive away. I need like a little step, like a toddler riding a training wheel for the first. Yeah, like a toddler riding his training wheel bike for the first time. I need a step to get up to kick off, because I realized what the hell I was just around. I went to get the hell out as fast as I could. So this is Rittenhouse Square at noon. And if you see all these seats, it's kind of cold today, but it's still a nice spring day. And all the benches are empty. It's kind of crowded though. People are walking around. Let me put my mask up. I like this mask because the skeleton is smiling. Here we go!
The producer and the director.
Wow, even Boyd's is boarding up. A car drove through those windows a few years ago. This was built in memory of a Dr. Swan, who, if you ever see any of those old horse fountains around the city of Philadelphia, Dr. Swan and the Fountain Foundation of Philadelphia, something like that. Look, I'm riding a bike. I'm winded. I'm fat. I can't remember all the facts.
Tiptoe through the window, by the window, by the door, he come tiptoe through the tulips with me.
So, museums aren't open. And the city of Philadelphia has this app called Museum Without Walls. I'll have a link in the description. All these statues here have a story. And I'm going to find out what the stories are behind some of these statues. If you don't want to download an app to your phone, you could just call the phone number here at the bottom of the thing. So this work of art symbolizes Galusha Pennypacker, who was at 16. He volunteered for the Civil War. The reason why he's dressed like a Roman gladiator, because they said he was a warrior. He could be a warrior at any age. He was a timeless man of battle. There it is, the Franklin Institute. Does the Police Touch Museum ever open again?
Somebody went up to